Sir, yung kay Senator Alan na sinasabi niya na offer niya sa inyo na pwedeng dalawa kayong mag-sign sa mga dokumento, basically sharing some of the responsibilities since he's still claiming to be the Senate President. Ano po ang sagot niyo dito, yung straight na sagot niyo dito, sir?
There's only one Senate President pro tempore. There's only one designated acting Senate President. And therefore, since tayo ang Senate President pro tempore and designated acting Senate President, gagampanan natin yung ating trabaho. No? At sisiguraduhin natin na hindi mapuputol ang operations ng Senado. At of course, yung coordination with the House of Representatives and other agencies. Yun ang aking mandato.
Did you write back to say na you're rejecting his offer? May ganun pa ba? O ito na yon kung ano yung pronouncement niyo sa media?
Yun yung pronouncement ko. At of course, I also wrote yung former secretary, si
Montales, sir? Montales.
Montales, na mag-turnover na ng dokumento. And in fairness to him, no, he wrote si Secretary Ray na magto-turnover siya ng mga dokumento to Secretary Ray. So, nagsulat siya kay Secretary Ray, nakita ko kahapon, na magto-turnover na siya ng mga dokumento.